Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanted to show you real quick. I've got an old Carrier, hopefully you can see that, Carrier Air V is what they called it. And unfortunately, if you have one of these and you're looking for parts or a new one, they don't make them anymore. So your options are, you can either A, replace this with one of the ceiling assemblies that have the thermostat wire that comes out. With this one, you can see an exterior wire already ran anyway, so these folks probably wouldn't care. And then your options are almost unlimited. You could do a Coleman, Dometic, whatever you want to do. Or you could do, with this one, I can reach up here. So with some RVs, I can't reach the ceiling, but with this one, we could do a ceiling assembly where you could just simply have knobs. You know, you could just turn those. And then again, you could do a lot of different brands, but ultimately, if you have a remote control, so this one has the remote control, which back in the day, these Carriers were the cat's meow because of this. They had the remote control just like a ductless system would. And if you want to go back with a remote control, I'm going to put a link down below to a unit that you can replace these with, that you could still have the functionality of having the remote control. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.